What is up, guys? Right before the video begins, I have a huge announcement. Aaron and I are doing a meet and greet at Arrowhead Mall this Saturday. Not today, but the week after, the May 20th. So it's going to be from 5 to 9 p.m. and it's going to be awesome. There's going to be games. I'm going to be DJing there, so it'll be kind of like a fun party. And come meet Claw Kicker and me if you remember who I am. But it'll be a lot of fun. I'm hoping to get a lot of people there, just have a fun experience in general. And if you get there early, the first 100 people that show up will be getting some free stuff. I got a lot of wristbands, t-shirts, all that good stuff, and some free signings. Hopefully we'll be able to sign everyone after 100, but you'll still receive some cool stuff if you show up. So get there early, on time. It's going to be a great time. I think it will be really cool to meet some of you guys, and it's just an awesome, fun way for you guys to hang out with us. And you know, it's always amazing seeing my fans, and you know, even though I forget sometimes they're actual people, so this helps with that. So please let me know in the comments if you guys are coming. That would mean so much. I am so excited. I've been preparing for this, so it's gonna be great. And with that said, there's no giveaway this week, but there will be next time. Another thing is I lost my computer for like a good 2 weeks or so, so that's why this video hasn't been like a video in the past few weeks or so. But I just found my computer, so I'm super excited, thank God. And then yeah, hope you guys liked the video. Make sure you leave a like if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you there. Here's something that's pretty new. Giant ticket crane. Oh. Yeah. That is really cool. It's by Smart Industries too. Oh, look at that. He's inside. Thumbnail.
We played this one last year.
It's such a fun game. I would recommend playing it. We're going to be playing Black Hole Prize. This is actually pretty cool because you can actually win a prize. Too hard. Gotta play a few.
Big crane it is, right? Big crane it is.
There we go. Oh. Alright guys, we played this one. It's actually pretty easy. So I can probably paint it out. Well, usually he drops it, but he didn't rig it this time. So addicting, and now I have free credits. Oh. Yeah, I got it. This game's pretty cool. It's called Spirit Ball.
3, 2, 1, go!
$7.50. Oh, we're gonna be playing Tower Tickets. This game is very addicting, so let's see if I can. Oh, I think I get the feel for it. Oh, that was definitely not the feel for it. Oh, do we have 1,000? Oh yeah, the green one. Dude, Matt is so good at this game. I don't know how you do it, Matt. Shout out to you if you're watching, but I kind of doubt it because my channel is so oh, whatever. Oh man. If you just kept pressing it, I don't know if that would work. Oh my god. That was so close. Oh, dang it. Oh, what was that? I'm not even gonna look. It's gonna press it. Oh. Alright, that didn't help. Alright, ready? Oh. I feel like the zombie snatcher is way easier, but That's just my opinion. I cannot time this for the life of me. Oh, no. I feel like these were 3D printed or something on top, because they look really weird. Oh, yes, my first one. 150 tickets.